Plays it behind, score on the offside. Bit of hesitation. Once a second run will get there. Potential contenders for the tournament. Lots one over. Beautiful ball striking from Akram.
Welcome to the crease, Gazanfar, says Akram.
Nothing changes. Age is found, it's coming fine. It's coming fine for 4. Back-to-back boundaries for Akram. Akram launches in, downfield. Long off, just over him. 6.
A good shot. Straight down the ground, straight as a whistle. Long off in place. Akram takes him on. The length this time by Gazanfar was too full again. For a moment, batsman's heart would have been in his mouth. But that cleared easily. Good option taken, going straight as possible.
سالي کې د بوست لپاره ډېر خو نننۍ سالي کې اړتیا ده ان سایډ کې د ازل بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د څلور منډو لپاره وروسته یې پیچ کړ ښه چینل کې او اکرم ممادو او د ازل ایج دی بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د څلور منډو لپاره آوټ سایډ یې شو دواړه توپونه یې هغه ډول کنیکټ نه کړه هغه ډول یې په بیټ رانوستل خو په دواړو باونډریانې رالي او مهمه دا ده د بوست لپاره
کریم په 11 توپونو باندې دازل مخامخ راکټ شاټ شپږ گیزا بهترینه پزړه پوری ډیر اعلی ایکسلنٹ
او محمد اکرم خو له وړاندې ډېر ښه پام کې مخکې پیچ کړی دی اماده سټریټ دغه بال ولوباوه د شپږو منډو لپاره پیس کې هم تغییر او دلته
دازل راځي او توتا Extra cover boundary paluri bandit salur mandi.
Slower delivery, waited for it and then picked the bones out of it. What a way to start the over. And welcome.
What a welcome. Absolutely. Gulbadin Naib makes the mistake of bowling in the slot. Second mistake, bowling it slow. Third thing, Wasim Akram is enjoying his time out in the middle. He's striking at 176. That was a slower in the slot and dispatched. Easy picking that for Wasim Akram.
Is that a bicycle? Is that an iron? 50 for Akram. One of the most uncomplicated stroke making that we've seen. And it's come at a great time for the Bose defenders when they're scripting a comeback in this league. Akram stands up and Kabul applauds. Oh, very gently done. A boundary that Akram will celebrate because Khalil is providing the place. He's given away 26 in 8 deliveries. Good change in pace. He's got to push for 2 here because the soft hands were offered to it. And the misfield doesn't help the cause for the Dragons. Oh, gets hold of it. And the catch it call will be answered by the crowd and crowd only. Akram is in tremendous touch. Stand and deliver has a new synonym. Akram.
Absolutely. Wasim Akram has pulled this off of a short ball. That's not easy to put away ball from there, but Wasim Akram does it with ease.
مخا مخلوبه ونه ده یو دوه درې څلوریزه وسیم اکرم نن رحم نه کوي یو بې رحمه توپوهنې ترسره کړې ده
9 منډې ورکړي دي د هم وکټ نه ترلاسه کړي بیا هم دغه بال لوبیږي ګلبدین د بال نیولو هڅه کوي او میس فیلډینګ څلور منډې راځي دلته
دا پریشر دی په بندي امیر لوبډله باندې
دي چې دی برلاته تر دې وخته او مخکې یو ځل بیا د شاټ هڅه او دا ځل څلور منډې ضرور بیا هم راځي
Batter Najibullah Zadran. Just that we were talking about it, high in the air, and that has been dropped. There could be a run out, and might well be a run out.
The man in form, Akram, who's been batting so well, 87 of 57 deliveries, asking Najibullah Zadran to cross over for a single. Zadran refuses it, and in the end, it's Akram had to sacrifice his wicket. It was a sitter. The catch at short third man was dropped. It was an ideal opportunity for Gulbadin to pick up his first wicket. But nevertheless, the Dragons won't mind since the informed batter batting for so long has been dismissed, with Gulbadin having the presence of mind to get back to the stumps to rip the bails off. Akram, he's run out for 87 of 57. Crowd appreciating his effort, and defenders 174 for 4.